Hello everyone, welcome back to another speed test video. Today in this video, I am going to speed test between Galaxy A15 and iQOO Z9X. Galaxy A15 comes with MediaTek Helio G99 processor and my phone is 4GB RAM variant and 128GB storage. On the other hand, iQOO Z9X comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage and both phone running Android 14. And as you can see that both smartphone running same Wi-Fi network, so let's start our speed test. As you can see that Galaxy A15 open first and I also remove both smartphone background application. So let's start our multitasking and app opening both smartphone. So as you can see that both smartphone perform pretty well and similar. But I have to winner someone. So Galaxy A15 do slightly better perform. That pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.